and you don't have any other proof, then that's you. It shouldn't just be the officer. We are both citizens.
Carmonda Pearson.
Hi,
Good morning, Ms. Pearson. I see that you
good
have a
morning.
deferral from 2020, and so you do not qualify for the deferral program. Let's proceed with this matter. And please look over your police report, and then I will let you tell me your side of this story, ma'am. So 84 and a 70 is what you are
Which
clocked
is
at.
not true. I was
Okay.
not doing 84 and a 70. And I was checking my meter, my speedometer on a regular basis. And what he was pissed off with, it wasn't that I was speeding, because that was a lie. And I told him it was a lie. And I told him I wasn't speeding on camera. The problem is that he was pissed that I didn't lag around like everybody else. And I made sure that my speed limit was between 68, 69, no further than 70, 71, 72. I kept lagging off. And he was mad because I went ahead of him. And that's what he said. Because I said, you're a lie. I said I wasn't speeding. And he said, well, you moved ahead of me. That's what he said. And that's what he was pissed off with. And that's the reason why I'm in court, because I'm very upset that I got a ticket that somebody lied, because I wasn't doing 84. I was not. And I saw my speed limit. And I don't appreciate that he did what he did. And that's why I'm here.
Right, ma'am. It's your story against his story. He says you're going 84, 84. You
Well,
say
I
you're not.
wasn't. And if it's my word against his word and you don't have any other proof, then that's you. It shouldn't just be the officer. We are both citizens. And I am a citizen.
But you said,
I serve the public just like the officer does and just like you do. I am a teacher. And I
that's
don't
useful.
appreciate
Thank you for
anybody
your.
lying on me about my speed. And if you are having his word against mine and you have no other proof, that's a problem because you're not able to prove that.
Can you please just wait 1 second? Just please. Not his word. It's a certified speeding device that has certification in the court that has been tested for accuracy that got you 84 and
I
a
was
70.
not doing 84. And we also know, and I was trying to get a lawyer because I know that that's not true either. Those things are not accurate.
Do you want me
And
to
if
set this
that's
over for you to
accurate,
find a
that's a
lawyer?
freaking lie because I know I was in not going any more than the lower 70s. And I'm a little bit hot that that is something that you are trying to say. That is not true.
All right,
So
ma'am.
if there is a ruling that I don't like, I would like to see how I can um, protest against this because
This
I'm
is how
not
you
doing that.
protesting against it. It's called a contested hearing.
Protesting as far as somebody else
Ma'am,
reviewing
can you please just,
or
this is
getting.
just a contested hearing. If we could, as a teacher, if you could just please maintain some cordial conversation, I'd really appreciate it because you are coming off really hot, as you said. So please, we can
Well,
just
I
discuss
okay, I
this.
apologize, Judge. I'm not trying to come off hot,
Well,
so
then
I
let's just talk
apologize.
normally, okay?
But what'd you just say?
So let's just talk normally to one another
Okay,
because
well,
would
that's
you
not
like
something
me
you
to
should
set
have
this
to say
over for you
either,
to find
because
an
that's
attorney?
actually something else too, which we won't get into.
Would you like
That
me
can
to
be
set this,
considered bias when you say stuff like that. But anyway, I'm gonna
would
leave that
you like
alone.
me to set this over for you to find an attorney?
Yes, I would.
Okay, this is going to be set over in due course. It's going to be set over so that she can find an attorney. This is going to, so you'll receive a notice in the mail. You're going to be set for the contested attorney docket then at 11. And we need to receive a notice of appearance from an attorney. So that way you can appear on that docket.
Wait, when?
So you're going to be receiving a notice in your mail for set in due course for the attorney docket so that you stated that you want to find an attorney. So the
I
attorney docket's
do,
up.
and I was
Okay.
having difficulty, so I'm because my other attorney is not in this area. He's in
And
Pierce
that's
County. So now I got to try to figure out where to find one.
okay.
But yeah,
All right, so you'll receive a notice in due course that's going to be mailed to your address in Seattle. And then we will just proceed from there.
okay.
All right,
And
thank you for your time.
excuse me, Judge, when will that be?
What are you asking about? When will you see the
Yeah,
notice in the
when will
mail?
I receive that notice?
How long does that take about?
Usually it can take up to a month. They may not receive notice. If she retains an attorney, the attorney will get the notice.
Okay, so it usually can take up to a month. However, if you retain an attorney, they will be the ones receiving that notice. We just will receive a notice of appearance on our end, and then they'll just have your court date.
Okay. All right. And I apologize. I'm just a little bit upset about
No, I
this.
understand, but I'm
But
here to
yes.
listen and help you, and I just, I'm not out trying to get you, so I would like to help you with this process. So that's why we're gonna set this over for you to find an attorney so that you're set up the best way that you want to be set up. We don't want you to be set up for failure.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time.
All right. Bye-bye.
Stephen Roth.